Welcome back and thanks for watching. This is another stock analysis video by NLCcapital.com. In this video, we're going to be looking at Twitter, ticker symbol TWTR, and Twitter is supposed to report earnings this week on July 26, 2016. Today is July 23rd, and we are very skeptical of Twitter. We've hated Twitter, honestly. We love the service, but they have not figured it out as a company how to really monetize their service as Facebook has. They are really struggling with trying to explain how by selling ads on their website, a company can generate lots of revenues for themselves, unlike Facebook has. Facebook's proven that when you sell ads on Facebook, when you buy ad space, you will see an increase in your business. There are still skeptics of that, but obviously, ad dollars are flocking towards it, like ad dollars are flocking towards YouTube. So when companies, when all the skepticism started coming out, Twitter was trading at $30. Obviously, it traded much higher. Looking at the a longer term chart, Twitter it traded up into the 70s. Okay, so the recent, that's only 2 years ago. So considering where price is now, that's a massive pullback because the expectations for Twitter were insane. They thought it was the next Facebook. So looking at the most recent price action, we can see this downtrend and then this consolidation period that followed it. Okay, they had okay earnings over here, traded up, and then we consolidated, and then again they missed. It wasn't like a horrible miss, but the growth prospects of it were horrendous. They continue to, as a company, struggle along with the CEO Jack Dorsey. He's trying to be the CEO of two companies, which people have done that before, but he clearly cannot do it. Okay, he cannot run Twitter, and he's doing a really crappy job doing it. And the stock price reflects that, and the stock price reflects the unhappiness with having him as the CEO. However, Twitter has tried making some moves. They've implemented, an analytics that they promote within everyone's Twitter feed. They signed a deal with the NBA to do it like an original series, like a sort of like a TV show, sort of like what Snapchat does. But we don't think this recent uptrend. This is more of like a dead cat bounce. It's not going to hold. As you see, this uptrend that it was trading in was broken. Okay, and you'll probably see selling into earnings. Again, they have earnings on the 26th. You'll probably see either sidelines trading or trading to the downside. You will not see this probably trade up. And then we do think you'll see another miss. And then this will bring Twitter all the way down to the $16 area, maybe even lower. Um, Indicators point to that. Again, you shouldn't trade off of indicators, but indicators are pointing to that. Look at the momentum from the MACD. It's just, it was, steadily trading up, but there's no, big bands like this. I mean, look how tightly this is, and now it's starting to roll over. It's starting to look like it's a little toppy. Um, so that's what we think. You're not getting heavy volume on these days. Granted, the downside day that happened on Friday wasn't a heavy volume day. Um, but like again, we said we're skeptics of Twitter and how they're monetizing their business. We think they'll miss, and just be very careful. The expected move for Twitter is a $2 price movement, so you could either see a move up to the $20 area. Again, this is on Saturday. They're reporting earnings on the 26th, or you can see a move down to the $16 area, like we said before. This has been another stock analysis video by NLCcapital.com. Make sure to follow us on all of our social medias like Twitter and StockTwits, where we post free trades all the time. And visit www.nlccapital.com to view our free trades and subscribe to our service. Thank you and happy trading.